What's up, y'all? I just want to let you guys know before the video starts that I'm trying to produce more content and make more stuff on the lude and all that. So this video right here is just kind of some content put all into one. Sometimes I'm not talking. I got some footage of meets in there, POV driving, and just more content on the lude. I hope you guys enjoy it, and more content will definitely be coming soon. Thanks.
Y'all just watch the lude for the meet tonight. Gotta be hella clean.
Where? Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Underglow. Probably should have done this the first time when all the cars were here, but
I thought you were listening to tonight.
bruh, guys. That's it. Damn, everybody already did. I'm leaning really far back in my seat right now, guys, to get the best camera angle. So that's feel really low right now, but it's alright. Oh, tunnel action. Let's get this. on VTEC, it feels great. I mean, it still has a little bit of torque. These things just get cool. Even the automatics, I'd rather have a manual, but got the lude out here. Got some nice little footage. Damn. Trying to get some footage before I leave this thing. But I figured a night drive would be sick. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but I know the last video was in the daytime, so I had to get some. There's always an aesthetic with the lights in cars. That booty though. Shit's fat, goddamn. Nah, we still on stock wheels. This thing's washed though. The paint is nice, you know. It's not too shabby. But I need wheels. I need side skirts. I need a rear lip. I need a quieter exhaust. Nah, man. But shit, it don't look too bad for his old age. It's older than me, damn.
What's good?
Yo.
Is that shit on?
Yeah.
That's fire.
For POV driving, bro?